This is the OPPO A16s I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document using this device and later transform it into a PDF file. So to begin with, I'll say that I'm going to use the Google Drive app for it. So if you don't have it, just download and install it for free from the Play Store. Usually it comes pre-downloaded or pre-installed with the system, so you might as well have it on your device by default. So launch the Google Drive app, log in if necessary, then tap on this little plus sign over here, choose the scan option, grant Drive app the camera permission. After that, take a document that you wanted to scan, lay it flat and somewhat straight in front of you, take a good picture of it or a good scan of it using this little camera interface. In order to take it, just tap on the shutter button. So once you are ready, take an image. After that, see the result that you've got. If you're satisfied with it, proceed. If not, just tap on the cross sign. I'm pretty much satisfied with what I've got on it. Now we can just go ahead and crop it by tapping on this icon over here, then frame what part of your photo you would like to use in the future document. You can align the edges pretty conveniently, I would say. Then done. Once you're ready to save the scan as a PDF file, tap on the respective save button over here. Then you'll be able to rename or change the document title if necessary. Choose the account which the scan will be saved to, as well as the folder. If you want to change the folder, you can do that. Then save. And here I have my document, which currently gets uploaded to the Google Drive. As you can see, it has been properly scanned. The quality of the scan is pretty decent, if you ask me. I mean, my original document was pretty trash, so it seems not great, but trust me, it's pretty much the best it could have done with the raw material that I gave it. So seems decent. As you can see, it is a PDF file, obviously. And so basically that will be it. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your attention, and bye bye.